Hello, today I will show you how to change your language in Dungeonborne. First, you'll need to go into the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape button or the button in the top left corner. Then click on settings. In the settings, go into the preferences category and scroll down a bit. As you can see, here is the language section. At the moment you can choose between 7 different languages: English, German, Russian, etc. And after you choose your preferred language, simply close out of the menu, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.